Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Souren. I'm a singer, songwriter, vocal producer, vocal coach. If you are subscribed to my channel, you probably noticed that I wasn't uploading any videos during this past month. And the reason for it is that I was actually moving to a new place and it took me a little bit longer than I was expecting. But now finally I'm all settled in and I'm so happy to be back, and I promise I will be more consistent with my videos. As you can see, the setup is a little bit different, but I try to keep the style. So guys, I'm super excited today because I will be making this reaction video to one of my favorite singers, Morissette Amon, and featuring Kiko Salazar and Adonis Tabanda singing Fly Like a Bird. It's a Mariah cover. I know this song, but I haven't heard this version by Morissette, and I just can't wait to jump in and watch it. Beautiful harmonies, beautiful. She's so cute. Wow, I love this style, minimal makeup and all. Wow. Wow guys, beautiful beginning. I already love it. Woo! She is so cute, oh my god. Beautiful harmonies. They were using the soft sound that is just perfect for singing harmonies. Not too much vibrato, not too much metal in the voice. It's just perfect for the harmonies. And I love the way she was singing on that in the humming style. By the way guys, you can use these runs as an exercise for agility of the vocal cords. All right, let's keep watching.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird.
Amazing guys. I just want to say a few words about these amazing musicians. I love the softness of their sound and the way they're not getting too heavy on the accents. Just right, just keeping that soft sound. Morissette is going together with the band, keeping the softness in her voice, but at the same time keeping the groove just right. She's there with the band. She's just like a bird. Let's keep watching.
Fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord. Carry me high, down like the world. Break me tonight, I need the strength of you by my side. Life can't be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home.
Ooh, I love this chord. Yes. I love it. Wow guys, the band is killing it. And wow guys, I love that chord and the band is killing it guys. The bass player is amazing guys. Oh, I just want to jump in and jam with them. Wow, beautiful. Let's keep watching.
Can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony? With no war and with no brutality. Each other we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird.
Beautiful, beautiful. That sudden change to her stronger belt was so beautiful. Wow, very interesting change. I want to listen to it again. I want to listen to this change again.
Sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird. Take to the sky.
Perfect, perfect. Wow. Guys, amazing. She's amazing. She came forward She brought the sound a little bit forward, but at the same time, she kept the roundness of her ah sound, which was beautiful. And it wasn't on the edge too much, so it wasn't too loud. You know, if you open it too much, it can get a little bit too loud. And in this part, she's just keeping that mezzo forte. She's not in forte or fortissimo, but she's in the belt. I'm always amazed at her ability to be able to belt those high notes and to keep the energy, but not to be very loud on those high notes. This is one of the techniques that you can do also to keep the sound in the rounder place so you don't get too loud, too edgy. All right, let's keep watching, guys. Let's watch it even one more time and move forward. I love that run, guys. I love the way she kept her vocal cords compressed when she was singing the O vowel, and then she moved to a very soft sound again. If you are learning how to sing the runs, remember that it's not only all about the scales and the choice of the notes, but also the rhythmical structure of the run. And in this case, we can hear that. It's not ooh, just oh, da 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 da. No. And so the notes of the run, the structure of the run was going together with the drums and the rest of the instruments, and that is so important. That's why we get that groovy sound even when she's just singing the run. All right, guys, let's keep watching. Beautiful harmony.
I need you. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up.
Oh my God, guys, she sounds just like Mariah. If I just close my eyes, I won't be able to tell the difference, seriously. With that powerful, strong voice that is, again, not too loud, and she's keeping that beautiful cry in it, that Mariah style cry. It's amazing. Let's keep watching. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. What a beautiful, big and wide ah vowel. And the most important is the transition to a closed vowel E. You see how she's keeping all her vowels in the same place, and that definitely helps her with the transition. She's amazing. And of course, her breath control is simply amazing, guys. Perfect. Wow, beautiful. That transition was so good. Wow, guys, so much going on here. What do I start with? First of all, beautiful backup singing there going on, just like a choir, just like a gospel choir, and she's singing in that gospel style right in between those phrases. She's switching between her chest, her mix, and then bringing back again the soft sound, and she's doing it all while she still is keeping the dynamics of the song. So it's so important. Sometimes when a singer is switching from a more expressive tone to a softer tone, the dynamic drops too, but not in this case. Woohoo! Morissette is amazing, is an amazing singer. After being in that high register, she suddenly sang that low note, which is a pretty low note for a soprano. And what I noticed, she didn't lose any volume there, and she didn't get raspy or she didn't get breathy on that note, which means her vocal cords kept compressing, and that is very impressive, guys. Very, very impressive. Not talking about that the song is beautiful, it's groovy. It just makes me want to dance and feel the groove, and oh, I'm enjoying this so much, guys. Bring in the tiger. Yeah. Woo. I was waiting for it. Wow, I was waiting for it, guys. The way she transitions to her whistle register, I just love it, guys. I love it. And the clarity of that note was just unbelievable, guys. I love the way she's feeling the music, she's feeling the lyrics, she's flirting a little bit when she's singing. She's killing it. Every single note in every mode that she's singing. Now we're in the whistle. Woohoo! So I want to listen again to that transition to her whistle register and keep on watching. Wow, she's so cute. She's so cute, guys. You know that singing in a whistle register with real words and consonants is just like doing acrobatics for the vocal cords. She just did it. She sang with the consonants in her whistle register. Most singers, when they sing in the whistle register, they avoid using real words with consonants, but not Morissette. Whoa! She just did it, and I'm blown away, guys, how she could preserve actually those consonants. Consonants contain so much air, and it's so hard to control them, to keep controlling your vocals while singing the real words in the whistle register. And she is amazing. She amazes me every time, guys. I heard before her singing in the whistle register, but not really with consonants. It was mostly vowels. She's phenomenal. She's fantastic. Wow, guys. Asia's Phoenix. She's amazing. I love her. I love this girl. I love her voice, and I love this performance. You can see it put a very big smile on my face. And also, guys, I just love her energy. Every time I'm listening to her songs, her good vibes are being transferred to me. And through her music and through her voice, I can feel that beautiful energy. And I think she's very beautiful, not only outside but inside too. I can feel her positivity in her voice, and I simply love watching her performances every time. So guys, thank you very much for recommending this video to me. I had a great time, and I can't wait to do more reaction videos. Please, please, please keep recommending those wonderful artists to me, and let me know what other artists or what other songs by Morissette you would like me to react to. So guys, this was my reaction to Morissette Amon featuring Kiko Salazar and Adonis Tabanda singing Fly Like a Bird. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share it. Also, if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I upload new videos every week. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Souren. That's all for today. Stay well, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!